work very well because of the lawnmower next door. We're here to replace the leaky coil. I forget exactly where the leak is. Over there. In there. Somewhere in there. So we got our halfway tore apart. Somehow we gotta get this off. This is it. Gotta go. Gotta go! So we'll try again. A few more minutes. A few more screws. Lawnmower driving me crazy. Alright, the lawnmower's moved to the backyard now. And unlike that LG unit I did a while back, this one is one line, two lines. And now that we can get to them, this should be a breeze. Maybe. It turns out I do have to reuse this part. The new one comes with the stub and another stub. But at least they're not the thin wall stuff like back here. You got some meat on there, you can get some heat on there, and then close up this process tube for my nitrogen purge. Same. Very silly-imer. Alright. I don't know how many of you noticed I did such a beautiful job on this that I put it on upside down. Let's try again. And the new coil's in place. Got my joints set up, ready to go here. We can't really purge with nitrogen while we're doing this because there's no outlet, so we'll purge here for a couple minutes, let it fill the system, and then braze with the nitrogen turned off. Otherwise it'll shoot my stuff out. You know, that stuff that goes in sticky holes and fills up globs, and if you're in doubt, glob it on. Alright, got them suckers sealed. Forgot about Mr. Processor, so we'll pinch him shut and seal it. This thing will go suck. Yep, my battery's died, but there's process tube soldered shut. Before we can start sucking or putting it back together, I'm going to hook this just as well, that there's a million screws, and it'll take a while to get this thing back together because she's going to need to suck for a while. And before I even start, I'm going to put my stuffs away, just so I don't have to listen to this vacuum pump.